Well, I thought I was being smart. I did my research, watched the videos, read the forums, but honestly, I made some absolute howlers. Today I'm giving you 7 things I desperately wish someone had told me before I spent my first quid on precious metals. Because if you're just starting out, these lessons could save you hundreds, maybe thousands of pounds. Let's dive in. First up, this is the big one that caught me out. When I started, I didn't understand premiums properly. I just saw silver coin and bought it. Didn't matter if I was paying 20, 30 or even 40% over spot price. Here's the brutal truth. That premium you pay, you almost never get it back when you sell. So if you buy a coin with 40% premium, the spot price needs to rise 40% just to break even. At the moment, you may be lucky with the way the prices are rising, but in general, be careful. My advice, never pay more than 15 to 20%. Save the fancy stuff for when you know what you're doing. Generic bullion, maple, simple bars, that's your bread and butter when you're starting out. Go for junk silver as well. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. Number 2, thinking bigger bars mean better value. I nearly brought a massive kilo bar early on because I thought bigger was better. I was wrong. When you need to sell, nobody wants to drop $1,000 on a single bar. It's like trying to break a £50 note when you need a quid for a car park. It ain't gonna happen. Start out with fractional, 1 ounce coins, half ounce sovereigns, even quarter ounces gold if you're buying gold. They're far easier to sell when you need quick cash. You're not stuck with trying to offload a massive chunk of silver or gold. Liquidity matters, folks. Let's hear from your near misses. Number 3, and this one's personal. When I first bought silver, I was absolutely obsessed. I'd check the spot price every 5 minutes. Had it gone up? Had it gone down? I was driving myself absolutely mental. Here's what I wish I'd known. Precious metals aren't about getting rich quick. This isn't the stock market. Your great-grandfather could buy a decent suit with a sovereign in 1920. Today, a gold sovereign will still buy you a decent suit. Stop thinking about profits. Start thinking about protection. The pound in your pocket loses value every year through inflation. That silver coin, its purchasing power, stays remarkably stable. So put your coins away, stop checking the price. You're in for the long haul. Number 4, and this is critical. I made this mistake early on and telling everyone about my silver collection. Friends, family, even people I barely knew. I was so excited I couldn't shut up about it. Then one day someone asked me point blank, how much have you got? Where do you keep it? That was a wake up call. The first rule of stacking is you don't talk about stacking. It's like that film. If the wrong person finds out you've got thousands of pounds in precious metals at home, what do you think they want to do? They want to make sure that they own it. They will make a way of getting to it and making it theirs. So don't let it happen. I nearly got scammed chasing the cheapest price online. Found a dealer offering silver at a crazy low premium. I almost pulled the trigger. Then I checked their reviews. Nightmare stories. People waiting months for orders. Some never even arrived. Always verify your dealer before you buy. Check Google reviews, Trustpilot, forums. Spend 20 minutes doing your homework. Make sure you know what you're buying. A reputable dealer might charge a bit more, but you'll receive your order. It's insured in transit and you'll have recourse if something goes wrong. Cheap is expensive if you never get your silver, and this keeps me in the game. When I started, I only brought modern bullion. Britannias, Eagles, Maples, all the lovely coins, but they're a bit soulless, aren't they? They're just mass produced for weight. Mix it up with some history. Pre-decimal silver coins, old sovereigns, even sterling silver items from charity shop. I even bought some American dimes and things like that. You know, just so that I have an interesting collection. It keeps a hobby interesting, because if you get bored, you'll stop stacking, and that's when you lose the discipline. I'm half investor, half history nerd now, and it's the combination that keeps me excited about building my stack 5 years in. And finally, number 7, I wasted weeks waiting for the perfect price before buying my first coin, checking charts, waiting for a dip, procrastinating like mad. Just start. Buy 1 silver coin today. Feel the weight of it. Get that tactile connection with real wealth. The perfect time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now, because every day you wait is another day inflation is eating away at the value of your cash. Don't worry about the price of silver going up, it's your cash value going down. So there you have it. 7 things I wish someone had told me before I started stacking. Watch those premiums, think about liquidity, play the long game, keep quiet about your stack, verify your dealers, mix in some history, and for heaven's sake, just start. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing what I've learned from 5 years of making mistakes, just like you will. And if you don't take my advice, trust me, you will do. If this helps, smash the like button, drop me a comment, tell me about what your journey is like, and subscribe to FoolsAu for more honest, practical advice. Remember, you'll never know what gold lies hidden in plain sight. See you the next time. Happy stacking.